This is all you have to do to make a curry. Hey guys, welcome to Omakase Kitchen. This is Yuki.
And I'm Wasabi.
Have you ever wanted to eat a spicy curry, but you don't have time for all the steps?
That's me every day.
Well, all we need to do is throw all these ingredients in a bag and wait. Let's get cooking! Today, instead of dealing with pots and pans, we're gonna use this device Sous Vide. So the idea is that we got this bucket of water and we're gonna set the temperature of the water on this panel here. And we're gonna throw all the ingredients for the curry in a Ziploc bag. Throw the bag into the water and cook it to perfection.
Right, so we're gonna give this curry a nice warm bath.
Yeah.
Oh, starting off with some onion here.
Yeah, so we're gonna chop up the onion nice and finely. So this onion's gonna give a really nice texture and also a flavor. So it's gonna be the body of our curry sauce.
Gonna make you cry a little bit too.
Yeah, this is a bit tough. So for this recipe, I recommend using chicken with bones, so things like chicken drummettes, because it's gonna give a really nice umami flavor to the curry sauce. So here I'm massaging chicken with salt and pepper.
Give them a nice squeeze.
Yeah. Now we're gonna put all the ingredients in the Ziploc bag. So we got our chicken.
And it goes.
And canned tomatoes. And the onions that we chopped earlier. Tomato ketchup. Tomato sauce. Worcestershire sauce.
Say that 5 times.
Garlic and ginger.
Right.
Curry powder, garam masala,
All
and
spices.
chili powder, salt, sugar. I don't remember the order.
One or the other.
And yogurt. So this is gonna give nice creamy flavor.
Right, and that's pretty much it.
Pretty much, yeah. So we're gonna give this bag a nice squeeze again.
Squeeze it up.
Yeah. So give it a nice massage. Make sure that all the ingredients are mixed. And this is pretty much it. This is all you have to do to make a curry.
Yeah.
How easy.
It's science.
There we go. All done.
Looks like it's at the optimal onsen temperature.
I'm not sure if that's accurate. That sounds pretty hot for humans. But yeah, it's time to pop in the Ziploc bag into the bucket. So we're carefully submerging the bag in the
Gently.
water gently. And all we have to do is wait. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah. So yeah, the curry is done. So let's take it out of the water.
It looks like curry in a bag.
It looks like a curry. Yeah, it looks like a curry to me. But let's give it a taste.
Alright. Okay, looking much better on the plate.
これ本当に火を使ってないって信じられない。カフェで出てきそうなおしゃれなご飯ですね。
Falling right off the bone.
めちゃくちゃ柔らかそう。いただきます。本当に柔らかいし、しかも油使ってないのにすっごく旨味があって、トマトだったりスパイスの味がたくさん重なっててめちゃくちゃ美味しいです。低温調理器最高！